It's alive! After about 5 months worth of work, my M3 is finally alive. If you have any questions about the work that I've done, you're more than welcome to ask. Send me a direct message. But until next time, the S54 rebuild is officially done. Next car we're going to be working on is going to be the e46. Well, before that, we're going to be doing the rear subframe reinforcement on the M3, but my e46 has been sitting for about 2 years. I'm going to start getting going on that. My E30, that's my winter car. So until next time, stay tuned when we do the rear subframe reinforcement. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.